Hi, I am Dr. Umang Kothari, plastic surgeon, director, co-founder of the Hair and Shape Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is the gynecomastia. The gynecomastia or the male boob correction is one of the commonest procedures which we do at the Hair and Shape Clinic, Mumbai. Gynecomastia correction is a day care procedure in which the patient gets admitted in the morning, gets discharged by the evening. It's a simple procedure which consists of two methods or two parts. One is a liposuction, second is a gland removal. Once this is done, patient is advised to wear a pressure garment for the next 21 days. Patient discharges on the very same day, comes back to us on the day 5 for the follow-up visit. Many of our patients come from different cities and different countries. They can fly back by day 5 to day 6. Thank you very much.